Whether it's my tired, achy feet from the long day of sanding or my kiddos from a long day of their athletics, a foot soak provides ultimate relief. And love that this one is easy to store and to travel with. It is about 16.5 by about 12 inches. And when it's fully compact, it's only about 3 inches tall. But you can fit it in a suitcase, you can fit it in the bottom of the bag. It's got a nice sturdy handle. And then when you're ready, you can expand it to its full height. It's kind of got a combination of plastic. This is a rubber compactable. And then the plastic is the sturdy, non-movable part of the footbed. So it easily goes from space-saving 3 inches to about 10 inches tall, plenty of room for comfortable soaking. The bottom has these built-in massage rollers and bumps that you can kind of glide your feet across on the bottom that give it a slight massaging effect. It is about 15 liters for a large capacity, and it's pretty sturdy as I mess around with it. I do like to use Epsom salts when I use it, and my feet are about a size 7, 7.5 shoe, but it can go up to a 9.5 foot shoe. I simply take any water source that's available, begin to put it in the bottom. I like a hot water. It's great to use just like this, but I like to add Epsom salts for there. These happen to be lavender scented and organic, just help me feel more relaxed. I love the aromatherapy part of that too. And I would be remiss by saying don't exceed 176 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want to damage the tub. You don't want to damage your feet. The point is to feel great for soaking. In addition to your feet, I guess you could also use this for laundering, washing, camping. People really like to take these on the go with them. They're also super easy to store under like a bed, so they're out of the way. And when finished, I just turn it upside down in the tub, let it fully dry before storing it. And for ultra luxury, I'll do a brief massage, a hair mask, a face mask, and soak my feet. A reasonably priced way for a foldable foot soak, relax, refresh, rejuvenate. Please give this a thumbs up if it helped.